Jesus!
Bring the way in here. Hey! Oh, let's go there. Wherever they are, bring them. Guys, kill it, kill it. Did you know you are very sharp? Remove those shoes. Who brought you here?
Somebody directed me here.
My daughter. How may I help you?
Eyes of the gods.
Eyes of the gods.
I need your help.
Yes. Let the Akabagos hear you.
Eyes of the gods. Any man that comes to me will run away, will not even want to love me or take good care of me. Eyes of the gods, take a look at me. Am I not beautiful enough for a man to spend money on and die for?
Akabagusa. My eyes are only looking at you. When they get the gods, see, let them go. Yes, nobody. How can I help you, madam? I know your problem. Betty money, na 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 na. Making money rush like Indomie. DJ, the gods.
Continue.
Take this. Will you take this thing and take this thing? Take it. Rub it a little on your palms and your face. Any man you touch, his account will be debited and your own. Say my bank account.
Chai.
Again. Yes. I smile to the gods. Smile to the gods. Now, that for the gods. That for the gods. That. It's the gods. Kill the beat. You can come back and thank me later. What? Come on, get out here. Want to dodge me? I feel get out if I turn you to a cow. Nonsense. See, I'm killing them shot. Because I swear God, if I could kill them back. We could win them like that. Oh God, make a no be a belly jack.